Many people consider gifting assets to help their loved ones either qualify for Medicaid, avoid probate, or reduce their taxes. But how does Louisiana law treat these gifts? Are there any tax implications? And can gifting assets actually help avoid succession? Let's break it all down. Succession, or called probate in other states, is a legal process of distributing assets after death. In Louisiana, transferring property before you pass away can reduce assets that have to go through succession. However, certain assets, like real estate, require certain legal steps to ensure ownership is transferred properly. If the goal is to avoid a succession entirely, options like living trust might be more effective than outright gifting. Louisiana does not have state gift taxing, but federal gift taxing rules still apply. In 2025, you can gift up to $19,000 per person per year without triggering federal gift tax reporting. Anything above that counts towards your lifetime exemption, which is currently over $13 million. However, this exemption may change based on federal tax laws. In theory, you could give all your assets away before death, but there are some risks to that. Giving away too much too soon could leave you with no resources to pay for medical expenses or long-term care. Additionally, some assets, like retirement accounts, may have tax consequences when withdrawn or gifted. You should always consult with an estate planning attorney before making large gifts. If you're planning to apply for Medicaid to cover your long-term care, you need to be cautious about gifting assets. Medicaid has a 5-year look-back period, meaning any gifts made within 5 years of applying could result in a penalty period and leave you ineligible for benefits. This rule is designed to prevent people from giving assets away just to qualify for Medicaid. Proper Medicaid planning, including trust and strategic gifting, can help avoid these penalties. Legally, a gift made during your lifetime is not considered part of an inheritance in Louisiana. However, if a gift is large enough, it may be factored into the overall estate distribution, especially when it comes to laws of forced heirship. In Louisiana, forced heirs, typically children under the age of 24 or with disabilities, are entitled to a portion of the estate. If gifting affects their legal share, it could lead to disputes or legal challenges. While gifting assets before death could help with estate planning, it's important to know the legal and tax implications. Whether you're concerned about succession, Medicaid eligibility, or tax consequences, proper planning is key. If you need guidance, consult with an elder law attorney to make the best choices for your situation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights on estate planning in Louisiana.